Children, welcome back to Max Me Easy. Let's continue with word problems based on percentage. And if you have any doubts from your academic syllabus, post your question. I will surely make a video on it and upload it as soon as possible. Here is our eighth question. The money spent on the repair of the house was 1% of its value and the repair cost is 5,000. Find the cost of the house. Even here it is same, children. Let's assume this is the cost of the house, right? And they have spent some amount for the expenditure, for repair, that is repair. For repair they have spent 5,000. That is 1%. 5,000 is nothing but 1% of this total one. Of this total one, they have spent 1%. Now they are asking us to find out the whole value by giving this part value. They have already given this part value, right? And they're asking us to find the total house cost. I hope it's clear, right? So let's write the given data first. Given data, we have to find out the cost of the house. Since they have given 1% of its value, value is nothing but the cost of this house. 1% of the cost of the house. So we are going to assume this has x. It is nothing but value, children. Value of the house or cost of the house, right? And they have even given that the money spent on the repair of its value. Value is nothing but cost of the house. So 1% of this total cost of the house into x. So to remove this percentage, I am going to just divide it with 100. So 1 by 100 into x. Cost of the repair was rupees 5,000. If the cost of the repair is 5,000, right? So 5,000 is equal to 1 by 100 into x. So 1% of the cost of the total house, right? So this is the equation that you get. Now keeping this x as it is, and we need to get all the other numbers towards the other side. Since the sign between them is multiplication, when it comes to the other side it becomes division, right children? So it becomes division. That means it will become 5,000 divided by 1 by 100 is equal to x. As I have already explained you, on the top the numerator is a integer but the denominator is a fraction, right? So for that reason we are going to convert the numerator into fraction, because always fraction should be divided. Has like meter should be added, that is all the same units should be added. Since it is an integer, I am just converting into fraction by adding 1 in the denominator. Now see, now both are in fraction. Now we all know how to divide the fraction, right? Write the numerator as it is, multiply with this part, denominator. So when it comes to the when you are dividing it, the denominator becomes reciprocal. That means numerator comes to denominator, denominator comes to numerator. Now when you multiply it, you will get lakh, 5 lakh. That is the total value of the houses, 5 lakh. X is 5 lakh. What is X? It is the total cost of the houses, 5 lakhs. I hope you understood this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button, and even share it with your friends, children. Check the description box for more problems on percentage. Thanks for watching.